Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today I will continue with my commitment with the Civil Engineering Committee. I will today explain how contracts can be awarded using the concepts of operation research, and this is by using the assignment problem or assignment method. And this is Professor Adnan Kadir. Let's see, it's very simple. Uh, a highway agency at national level has shortlisted 5 contractors for construction of highways in different parts of countries. Given to understand, it was decided each contractor be awarded only project on the basis of optimization that will be carried out using operation research tool, that is the assignment method. The given metrics summarize the cost in billion rupees, uh, approximately for 100 kilometers of road nowadays, bidded by each contractor for completion of project in the respective city. We need to assign and identify contractor for each job and determine the minimum cost of construction highways, and the highway agency have to incur on these contracts. So let's see the problem. It is like this. City A, B, C, D, E on the row, and contractor 1, 2, 3, 4. The A, B, C, D in the columns are the cities, and this is the various contractors 1, 2 to 5, and that they have been awarded. They have just quoted their price for working in these cities. So it's very simple. Like we do, we copy this matrix here, and all what we have done is we have copied this column, this matrix here, and we can say that let's make it 0 all, and then in Excel, Microsoft Excel using binary approach. So one means the contract awarded to that contractor. So what we have done is just after doing this, I've determined the row sum, and I say since each contractor has to be awarded one contract, so obviously the sum will be 1 on each row. And that's why, and etc. demand at the same time, the demand will be 1 as well. Again, just we have applied the formula of sum of the rows between all the rows and the sum of the column, and it should be equivalent to 1 each of the time. Now the objective function is simply the sum of products of this matrix. I mean this matrix and the matrix above it. So this simple as that. And now let's see how we use the solver function. Now let's see how we use the solver function. So data solver. Obviously, this is my objective function is this one. So I've selected this one as the objective function. That is to be minimum, because we want to have a minimum cost, want to know the minimum cost. And what we need to do is to change the cell of this matrix. As you can see, this matrix from B19 to EF23 has been highlighted. Then we have to add the constraint. The only thing new here is that we said all of this number should be a binary. So if one know to how we do it, is just let's see how we do it. Just uh, okay, just delete it, and then I can add it for you. So what I'm going to do is to add all the entries of this matrix from A19 to F23, and I'll say this should be as a binary number. So either the value should be 0 or 1. That's okay. The rest, we have to make this sum equal to this sum, and the other constraint, obviously, this sum equal to this one. So we'll use this check this make unconstrained variables, and when this solve. So we have the solution, and we got this 48 billion cost on that. And on the basis of this, we can say contractor 1 should be awarded project for city 1, city B, contractor 2 to city E, contractor 3 will be awarded in C, 4, contractor 4 we awarded A city, and 5, the contractor 5 we awarded D. I have just used this simple match function technique to actually summarize these values. This, if any one of you is interested in knowing, getting this Excel, you can read my comments. So that's it. Inshallah, I will try to come up with more applications of operation research for solving civil engineering problems. So, bye and take good care of yourself.